Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So this is live price prediction of XRP coin, my brother. In this video, I will predicate this coin. I will do a technical analysis. In the end of video, my brother, I will share my opinion. So let's get start this brand video. But kindly, holder, if you are new my channel, so you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The current condition is very critical now because, my brother, from last 24 hour minus 3.25%, the price will fails down. It's a really bad condition, my brother, for all of you now. But don't worry, my brother, as you can see here in last 1 hour plus 0.86%, they will again profit now. So that's clear, my brother. So the current condition is going to be very good now, and the price will starting moving upward now. All right, my brother, as you can see at this time, the USD price is 0.7 USD dollar. So that's mean, my brothers, to XRP price will be increasing now. All right, the last 7 days chart I already opened it. Please, before I predicate this coin, I request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time, as you can see here in last 7 days, plus 5.98%, they will give a profit. And you can see here the highest profit, my friend. You can see here the highest my friend change occur. You can see here 0.829431 USD dollar. I think absolutely there is a chances, there is a 80% chance, my brother, to they will give you 1 USD dollar just in only in 1 week, my brother. Because as you can see here, just in only, my brother, in last 7 days, this is 1 week, they will give you, my friend, 7 to 8 USD dollar. So that's mean, my brothers, as you can see, especially they will take just in only one jump. As you can see here, this is just one jump. Otherwise, my friend, you can see here a half week they were fails down. And absolutely, my friend, just 2 days, my friend, jump now, August 6 to August 7 now. In August 8, my friends, they will again fails down. So therefore, I will notify you to upcoming time just in only, my friends, if they will take 3 days, my friend, they will starting moving upward. So I will give you guarantee to they will give you 1 USD dollar. So kindly, holders, you need, my brothers, to hold. And absolutely, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think and these days and those days, if you are starting investing, so I know, my brothers, they will give you a profit at the end of month. So hope you understand, my viewers, my subscriber. Please don't, my friends, take any risk to starting selling, and absolutely, my friend, you will lose now. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, ABS Trick channel will notify you to win and where, my friend, you need to sell it now. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.